Okay, this video is to see how to enter term grades specifically for our 6th and 7th grade arts classes that run on a trimester. So the first thing you need to do is get into my class. So I'll go ahead and click on classes. And I have made myself a test arts class. So I'll go ahead and click into that class. Click on tasks. And go ahead and get into the grade book. Okay, here I have my fake student. Here I have all the grades I've given my fake student. I have a lot of grades that are both formative and summative in every criteria. Now I click on the tab that says Submit Term Grades. And here we can see lots of formative, lots of summative in every criteria. This is the end point for this class, so you want to make sure you have enough evidence to decide on the grade in each criteria. So I'm looking here, we have an 8, criteria A, a 9, criteria B, criteria C, a 7, criteria D, and 8. And of course you would use all the evidence you have, including your formatives and summatives that we would see here. Okay, so the computer itself adds it up, gives the MYP grade. You simply just assign it here. We give an ATL progress grade, S for satisfactory. NS, if there's need strengthening, make sure you explain what needs to be strengthened in your comments here. But right now for this student, we're going to give it an S. And go ahead and fill in your comments. I will email you the instructions that Damien sent out last year for comments, so you can follow those. Okay, so now we're done. We have finished them in first term. We also have to put them into second term because we need it to show on the final report card, because this class is done. And if you don't put the same data into second term, your class doesn't show on the final report card. So I'm going to do that by opening up 2 windows. I'm going to right click tasks, and I'm going to say open it in a new window. And here we have a second window now. So again, I go into my grade book, and now I go into submit term grades again, and now I go into second term. So now I'm going to make this window a bit smaller so I can kind of move around, and make this window a bit smaller so I can kind of move between the two. Okay, so here we go. Now I can see what I have here. I can take my exact same comment, get it to be a bit bigger to copy it. Take my same exact comment, Control C, copy, Control V, paste. I can see my grades 8, 9, 7, 8, 8, 9, 7, 8, and then I can see my ATL progress. Okay. Now I'm going to go ahead and close. It is live, so I'm going to go ahead and close this window and just double check that I got it into both. We should see both now. Okay, second term and first term. Okay, that concludes this video. Thank you.